Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to save a file in Canva using your phone. So what we're going to do is just open up the Canva app, and then you're going to want to find the design that you're wanting to save. So it could be in recent designs or projects. So I've got mine here in recent designs, and I'm just going to give that a click. And then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, and there will be an upload or a download icon. So you just want to give that a click, and then you want to press download. So you want to make sure that it's in the right format. So whether that you're going to print it, you want it in a PNG. I'm going to leave mine as PDF standard, as this is a CV. So I'm just going to press that, and then I'm going to press the purple download button. Once this next window comes up, you're going to want to scroll down, and you're going to want to press save to files. So I'm just going to save mine on the iCloud. I'm going to leave it as the name it is, White Simple Student CV Resume. What I'm going to do is just hit save. There we go. Canva is just finishing that, and amazing. That has all been uploaded. So I'm just going to click out of that. And then what you then want to do is scroll right, and then I'm just going to search for it. So I'm just going to search for files, and then as you can see, that has come up. And then I want to find it on my iCloud, and then if I scroll down here, you can see the resume is there at the bottom. So then if I want to press that, and then I can obviously do whatever I want to now. I've got it all saved, so I can send it on to anyone else. So that is it, guys. That is how to save a file in Canva using your phone. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.